Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through the Granite State, New Hampshire. Our adventure starts at the beach camping area, our home base for this trip, where we soaked in the natural beauty and prepared for some amazing excursions. First up, we hopped on the historic Cannon Mountain Tramway. As we soared to the summit, the panoramic views of the Franconia Notch State Park were truly amazing. The crisp mountain air and endless sea of green and blue made this ride truly unforgettable. Next, we explored the Basin, a natural wonder sculpted by glacial activity over thousands of years. The serene pools and rushing waters offered a tranquil escape, a perfect spot to connect with nature's artistry. Of course, no trip to New Hampshire is complete without a visit to the legendary Mount Washington. We ascended to the summit, standing at 6,288 feet, where the weather can change in an instant. The views from the top are nothing short of awe-inspiring, with the entire presidential range laid out before us. wrap up our adventure, we made our way to Diana's Bath. This series of cascading waterfalls in North Conway is a hidden gem. The gentle flow of water over the smooth rocks and the peaceful surroundings made it a perfect end to our New Hampshire journey. Thanks for joining us on this incredible trip through New Hampshire. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our next video from Vermont in our New England series. Until next time, we'll see you down the road.
We don't know where we're going, we just wanna get gone.